two-bedroom condo in Toronto area. We have a two-bedroom condo that's gonna be listed soon, so it's not yet on the market. It's two-bedroom, almost 1,000 square feet, 988 square feet, large, good-sized bedrooms, unobstructed views. It's right in the area of Shepherd and Warden Avenue, 401, 404, just minutes away. Walking distance to the TTC, Fairview Mall, just minutes away. Scarborough Town Center, minutes away. Excellent location. If you are looking for value for money, this is the unit. It's got only 494 maintenance fees, and the good thing is that the maintenance fees are all inclusive. It includes the hydro, the heat, the water, even cable is included. So it's gonna be listed for $550,000. So that's $550 per square foot. This is a no-brainer, really, either for an investment or for you to move in. The best thing about this unit is that it's completely renovated top to bottom. I'm gonna go upstairs now and show you the unit. Again, it's $550 a square foot. It's 988 square feet. We're new construction today in Toronto, downtown Toronto, going for $1,600 a square foot. This is a steal. If you or you know anyone that's interested in a two-bedroom for under $550,000, call or text me now at 647-383-7111. This will be listed in the next 48 hours. If you're tired of bidding wars, this is your chance. Call or text me, or if you have an agent, let your buyer agent call me or text me 647-383-7111. Let's go up and have a look at the unit. So this unit is on the 16th floor. It's got a storage room, brand new kitchen, brand new countertops, brand new appliances, hot lights, amazing unobstructed views of the west and southwest. Look at this, wow. It's Toronto skyline, west and south. Let's go see the bedrooms. Good sized bedrooms. Every bedroom, of course, comes with a window and a closet. This is the second bedroom. And like I said, 494 condo fees per month, and all inclusive. Heat, water, hydro, cable. Renovated top to bottom. For more information, call, text Feras at Team Feras Riyal, 647-383-7111. Thank you and have a fantastic day.